Hey, fellow DIYers out there. Today we're going to go over how to adjust the width of your blinds. Specifically, in our case, check this out. We were able to find these faux wood blinds for $10. $10. Normally, $128. But in this case, it was a clearance item. So we got them for $10, but they're the wrong width. Right height, wrong width. So I'm gonna go over how to adjust the width of your blinds so that you can take advantage of a deal like this, because we just saved like, what's that, $118? Not too bad. It's worth a few minutes of extra little work on your part. You don't need many tools for this either. So let's get started. What I've done here is used painter's tape just to bind everything together so it doesn't slip on me. And I've gone ahead and measured. Use this. I measured from one end to the other with allowing an extra ½ inch. So say your measurement's 60 inches, bring it down to 59.5 to allow for the valance that's going to go across the top and make things look pretty, right? So we've made that measurement. You want to make equal adjustments on the ends. I went ahead and tested this one before I turned the video on to make sure that this was going to work out. So it did. It's beautiful. So I took about an inch off that end, and then we're going to take an inch off this end over here. So I put my tape here just to stabilize everything as close to the cut as I'm going to make it. You can see my red dot sight there next to my marking. And for safety reasons, I'm also clamping lightly. I didn't tighten these up super tight, but this is going to keep things from moving on me. Like I said, it's the first time trying to do this, and I couldn't find anything on YouTube for it. So this is my setup. You want to look in the ends of these and be sure you're not cutting through any sort of metal rods or that sort of thing. Blinds have a certain amount that you can cut down, and then you're going to start getting into the cords that hold all the blind pieces together. So you don't want to get into that. I'm sure that would be a mess. But at any rate, that's my setup. Pretty simple. We've got everything measured. Like I said, $10 set of blinds here, so I'm super happy. And now we're gonna go ahead and make our cut. This is what you get, and believe it or not, it's a super smooth edge right from the start. So that miter saw blade cut through the faux wood pieces, super smooth, and the metal right here. And like I said, I'm running my finger across it, and there's no burrs or anything. And this is your basic miter saw blade that I'm running. So nothing fancy here. So there you have it. It's that simple. It really is that simple. I couldn't find anything on YouTube about it, so I'm gonna make one, try to help some people out there. If you stumble across a good deal like I had here on these blinds, this is safe, effective way to do it. I probably went overkill on the safety clamping everything down, but I do value my fingers. I do a lot of DIY projects, and I hope to do many more with the years to come. So super safe. You run across a $10 set of blinds at Lowe's or Home Depot, snatch them. You're gonna be able to make those simple cuts, and it's super clean. You don't even have to sand it at the end of it. So we're gonna go set these up, and you guys have a good day.